Hi everyone, this is April with Flowers from the Foss family. We garden in Zone 4A here in northern Minnesota, and today I'm going to take you on a little tour of things that we have growing and things that we're doing. And this video was taken a few days ago, so a lot has been done since then, but I'm kind of behind on editing things, so I wanted to get this video out to you, and then I have another quick video that I want to get out, and hopefully you enjoy these little videos of us getting the garden ready for this summer. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. We have some foxgloves left over that I'm going to put around the house, and I already planted a few, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. There's one. That one looks super good. So I'm going to put some in front of the house, and then I'm going to put a few in the back. November, say hi.
Hi.
They're over there. I forgot to share too that this is the drumstick alliums. This looks like grass right now, but I planted a delphinium right there, and that one might be dead, but I still planted it. And then foxglove.
It's gonna get buried anyway.
Okay. Anywhere. Next to the wall. Just move it over somewhere. That one looks so good. I have to get a close up. What?
Follow this one over more. Yeah.
I don't know if I shared, but that's a silver mound.
So where do you want this one?
Purple fountain grass looks already. Our yarrow has little tiny buds on it. This is a serendipity allium. I don't see any buds on it yet though.
This one has like 3 in it.
Oh, does it? Do they pull apart? Just put them in there. This little area is kind of tricky because where these rocks are, the water comes down off the roof and it's pretty dramatic. We're gonna plant 3 more right here. Matt was going to paint the bottom of the house, and if he doesn't get to it, then at least we'll have these plants covering it up. I have one here, 3, 4 more, 2 more right there. This is all Queen of the Prairie and Primrose, and I don't like how it looks. It's messy because it needs to be weeded. What are you saying?
Try about it.
Have her not. I have to say that I've been a rock star this year planting. I did the majority of the planting in the house, and it was very therapeutic, and there was just something about it that brought me so much peace. Now this next year I want to start in January with Lysianthus. We'll see. Right, Matt?
Yeah.
Matt?
Yes.
Matthew? Baby sweetheart? What size auger is this?
I don't know. It said it was for bulbs, maybe 3 inches. Bulb sized one.
Okay.
So But it'll make it bigger pretty easy if you want it to.
Eventually, these foxgloves are not going to be able to be this close because this is a bush and it gets 3 to 4 feet wide. So, but for this year, it's perfect. So we're going to plant 2 foxgloves on the corner of the house right here. I think those will be cute. There's a viburnum in front of it that looks like it's dead. So we might be done with it this year. Right? Let's see. And I bought these, I don't know, like a few weeks ago, I guess. And they're called Blue Hobbit Sea Holly. How do you say that? Eryngium. It's not a very. So they are, says blooms in the summer, but this is a perennial. They need full sun and they bloom midsummer to fall. They need well draining soil and they get short. They're 12 inches high and you should space them 12 inches apart, and they're good in through zones 4 to 8. But I think I put them a little bit closer than they needed to be. But they're gonna be so cute right there. It says to place them in the front of the garden. And we don't really have very many perennials down here, so we're kind of starting with that. We planted that spirea yesterday. Look at the roots on those. Humongous. Because it's too sandy?
Yeah, is this more like driveway type food? Not bad, but yeah.
We had 2 patches, not patches, 2 planters, tiny ones of this time. And through the summer, last summer, Matt would divide it up. And so it's spread a lot. Right there. There's one right there. One right there. Another big one right there. It's a big one. They're actually all pretty big. And if you just, it's called creeping time. And if you just run your hand through it, oh, it smells so good. So good. It's really cold out here tonight. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm cold.
Right, weak wind again.
Yeah. The wind makes it really cold.
Right, 70 at Perennials.
Yep. So while he's doing that, I'm going to show you this other grass that we bought that we haven't tried before. This is a hardy, I don't even know how to say that, pampas grass. And it needs full sun, blooms to late fall, plant in the full sun, prefers well-drained soil, grows 10 to 14 feet. That doesn't sound right. And it's not hardy for our zone, but maybe it will be. Maybe it'll come back. Or maybe we should put it somewhere closer to the house. Let me refer to the gardener.
This is the only one you got of it?
Well, I didn't realize. Yeah, it was the only one they had. I wonder if it will grow that big. I can't imagine that it will. But, so it says zone 5, and some things that we planted are zone 5 and they survived the winter. But I don't know if this will, because it's really windy and cold on this hill. We can buy another one next year. It looks really bad right now though. So we'll see if it's okay. We have some dianthus here that is pathetic looking. One here and one right here. And our alliums, if anyone knows why allium leaves look burnt on the top, or maybe they need water. Maybe they need water. I don't know.
Yeah.
But they look not good.
They were in the sprinkler with
Oh yeah. Yep.
Before that, it rained pretty
good. Matt is planting another purple fountain grass. They really are. If you don't have purple fountain grass in your garden, you need them. I'll put up a picture from last summer. Just brings such whimsical movement or whatever it is to your garden. Be careful. So we're planting bunny tails. We're gonna plant bunny tails in front of these because these are gonna die back, and so the bunny tails will grow to about 12 inches, so it'll cover a lot of the foliage, I hope. Ooh, what was that?
It's a sticker or something.
Oh, I thought it was a SD card. One more and then you're done.
Where?
In the middle. Right here. In between the gnomes.
They're gonna get all dirty. There's no bulb right there.
I did. I couldn't even see it. So in our other video, you saw us planting that, so we're kind of close by it. Those are 2 delphiniums, and these are supposed to get tall. So we have foxgloves interspersed throughout them. There's some under right there, there's some there, there's a bunch. And then we have a few irises that we got, there's another one, from my Uncle Gary. And I hope they work because they look so pretty in the pictures he sent me. How long did he have them for? 25 years or something?
Like 40 years.
40 years.
Come from wherever they were. I think.
Yeah, he had them for...
Somebody did.
Yeah, he did. They used to live in the cities, I think he said. Those are really sad looking. They look sad, but I think they can be pretty tough. That foxglove was from last year, and we cut the stalk back. And this one too. this purple fountain grass doesn't look good at all, but I have high hopes.
Oh, Roddy.
It's pretty new because the sun is on it.